Conyay. Uh, Listen. I've been fighting you. Now I'm losing sight of you. I punched your face. And now you're dead. I guess all of this has gone to my head. I fucked you years ago. I didn't like you because I fucking fucked these hoes, and now I hate these hoes. I don't wanna crack. I guess I really want you back. I'm going to the mall to rob and steal because since you're gone, nothing I can feel. I stole a fishing rod without the reel. While running, I slipped on a fucking banana peel. I hit my head. I think I'm dead, but I guess I am fucking still alive. Doctor told me how many fingers am I holding up. I said 5, but it was 7, or maybe it was 11. Man, I'm forgetting things like I'm fucking forgetting you, but I'm saying all this shit because I guess that's not fucking true. So what's happening? The situation is doo-doo. I guess my whole world is turning blue.